South Moon Varicose Veins Spray Review. Is it real or fake? So, it is marketed as an all-natural topical spray that claims to reduce the appearance and discomfort of varicose veins using herbal ingredients and the special micromist technology. So, let's talk about the pros and cons. So, for the pros, it offers convenient spray format with the organic or herbal ingredients. It also has a multiple user testimonials, which they reported that they have decreased swelling, lighter sensation, and less visible veins. There are also some soothing or cooling effect noted in the production descriptions, and they offer broad availability online with the money back guaranteed advertised by some sellers. Now, the cons is though, there are no credible clinical studies or medical validation that supports the dramatic claims. There are also some red flags for the Parma style marketing. It also has a brand ambiguity and the rebranding, and there's no third party reviews outside the seller. So overall, it is a convenient herbal style topical that many users find pleasant and easy to use. That said, its bold marketing claims lack scientific or medical validation.